Hi everyone, this is Robert and Christy from the Robert and Christy Real Estate Team, and welcome to our virtual open house.
Quarantined, actually. We're kind of locked up and quarantined right now.
We're kind of excited though to offer this opportunity for you, the buyer, to still go out shopping for homes this weekend. So welcome, and we want to take a little bit of time to provide a nice walking tour through the home, and then later we'll offer you the opportunity to set up an appointment. We'll discuss what that looks like in these times. So we'll go ahead and get started.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get through this house. So market's doing really good right now. It's pretty exciting. Escrows are being open this week and as well as closed. So there's buyers out there, there's sellers out there. So market's doing good despite of everything. So this home right here, it's located it's 342 Selkirk Drive. It's located in Mountain Gate area of South Corona. It's within the Santiago High School boundary area. It's a 3,021 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. Really tastefully done and upgraded home. Let me kind of show you a little bit where the location's at.
Price point is what?
$659. Yep.
Okay.
So we're at a $659 price point. And here we are. I'll zoom out a little bit. It's located really close to the mountains right here. Over here is Skyline Trail, which is great for hiking. They have different paths and out there, and it's also located near Mountain Gate Park. Mountain Gate Park has tennis courts, baseball fields, great gazebo, nice playground, and it also has these interconnecting green belts areas right in here to walk there. So a lot of people use that for walking and exercise and stuff like that. It's located, this is Citrus Hills, our intermediate school. And so that's kind of the area it's in.
And Eisenhower is here also within walking distance. So it's there, right there to the left.
Yeah, so right over there. So let's go ahead and you want to go through the house?
Yeah, let's go through the house.
Okay, let's open up the doors for you and let's walk this through. So this home, we'll go right through the virtual tour. So there we're coming up on it. Beautifully, tastefully done landscaping. I was really impressed on what the sellers did there. Nice drought tolerant. They have some artificial turf in the backyard. Nice bubbling fountain as you walk in.
Right. Now we're going to enter into the living room and the dining room, although they use this for their family's entertainment area. So they have a pool table naturally in there in place of the living room furniture and the dining room area.
So we'll walk into there. Nice fixtures you have up there. Has tile floors. This is the downstairs bathroom. Recently upgraded vanity there and mirror. And this is the family room. So very nice built-ins right there.
And all of those, actually the lights, if you can point to those lights, Robert, those lights are done by an automatic button. I think they're on a dimmer switch, and so inside there you can turn on those lights. It's really nice.
Okay, so it opens up to this it's kind of almost like a great room in itself. The kitchen is highly upgraded as well as we go through that. So here's another view of that. A nice slider that opens up to the nice backyard. And here in the kitchen, wow. Yeah. This is honestly, I would say this is one of those homes that you have to get in there to really appreciate it. I mean, the video turned out really well, but once you walk in, there's just a different feel.
Right. So you've got a lot of upgrades in here with the granite countertops and the wood cabinets, along with the knobs there as well. The island and the new pendant lighting and so forth, and then your stainless steel appliances. And then off to the right there is a sitting area. I mean, it's a very large breakfast nook area that looks out to the front yard, the courtyard actually, and it's very nicely located, very quaint.
Yeah.
Very separated. And then back in there in the very back, let me just point to here. That's actually your laundry room that leads into your garage, just so that you have a perspective of where we are.
Yeah, and the cabinets too also have the soft close doors and drawers, which is really nice. So that's we just love that about this home. They also put the recessed lighting. Something as we're kind of going through this portion of it too is to let you know that the windows are all upgraded. They have dual vinyl windows.
Pause there real quick, Robert.
Okay, so we'll stop.
Oh, we missed it a little bit, but you can see there was a breakfast, a butler's bar there for additional storage and stuff like that.
And a walk-in pantry.
Yes, and a walk-in
pantry. Yeah. So here's that nice nook area that you're talking about. Notice the crown molding in there as well. crumb molding throughout. It's just really tastefully done. This is the downstairs bedroom or office. They're currently using it as an office right now. Could be either or, but very tastefully done in that. This is nice. I think it's laminate flooring right there. Now we're upstairs already. So what happens, we went upstairs, we're into the loft in the bonus room, and we have, they're currently using it as a theater area. Kind of fun little area.
It peekaboos out to the center of the home, which is the stairway area. But very fun area. But if you do need it as an extra bedroom, you can easily convert it into that extra bedroom as well.
Yeah, this builder made this as an option as a bedroom or as that. So, and here we're into the master bedroom. So, very, very large master bedroom, very spacious. It has walks into your upgraded master bathroom. So this has been recently done. Actually, they put a Corian or Corian type.
Yeah, it's Corian type countertops in there. Dual sinks, of course. Your knobs, stainless steel knobs, and your separate tub and shower area. Walk-in closet there in the back, and then in the center there is your nice little vanity area for you ladies and your makeup or not.
Very well done.
Yeah.
Very well done. There's the separate tub and shower area, and then of course the toilet area. So here's one of the third bedroom there. Very large, actually. When you go in there, it's a lot more spacious than this photo actually shows in this video. But
this is actually the front room of the house. So if you're this is facing the front of the house. If you were to look out that window.
Your third bathroom, which is your upstairs bathroom, again, dual vanity sinks, upgraded countertops, as well as the cabinets themselves. Very tastefully done. Here's the fourth bedroom, located the bathroom's located between these two bedrooms right here. They're currently using it as a nursery.
The good sized rooms you can see by that. Now we're in the backyard, so we have a new artificial turf, some sculptures, covered patio there, rock landscape.
Yeah, it's aluma wood too, so it's not a wood. You don't have to worry about termites and stuff like that with the aluma wood on there. Again, drought tolerant plants throughout. There's also citrus trees back there. We have a fire pit, ceiling fans in there, and they have some very nice, tastefully done furniture there. There's a sculpture that Christy was just mentioning in there.
And then your fruit trees are up on the back slope.
And so we have multiple citrus fruit trees up there. So very beautiful home, very well done.
Very well done.
So if you have an opportunity to view it in person, please go ahead and give us a call. There's a nice aerial drone footage of kind of just the surrounding South Corona area there. So very nice home. Love to be able to have opportunity to actually open it up to you. Now, there are some health and safety protocols that we do have to follow when we go in there. Mm-hmm. So when you call us, we'll go ahead and make those arrangements with the owner.
Yeah, you can also message us in this link there below, or in your Facebook feed. There you can message us as well. It's at that time, or you can give us a call or go to robertandchristy.com, and we'll go ahead and make those arrangements for you guys to see it. So we thank you guys for joining us, and we wish you all best in health and keeping safe. And we look forward to your call. If, by the way, this isn't the house for you, we have others, and we actually have other virtual tours going on today in half-hour increments. So please join on one of those as well. All right.
All right. Thank you, and have a blessed weekend.
Bye.
Bye.